Forna Cork Flooring is delighted to introduce Umber pattern natural cork flooring. If you are searching for comfortable, sound-dampening and hard-wearing flooring that is easy to install, Umber cork flooring is the right choice for you. Swedish cork is a durable and long-lasting material that can be incorporated into either commercial or residential spaces. It is suitable for constructing hotels, yoga studios, daycare centers, offices, and gyms. During the winter, cork floors do not feel cold under bare feet. Cork flooring is an excellent choice for households with lots of activity due to its sound dampening and shock absorption properties. It is also a good choice for basements due to its moisture repellent and insulating properties. Umber Cork is Green Guard Gold Certificate cork flooring and made in Switzerland and is a natural wood color. It can be installed over a radiant heating system. The finish detail has high-resistant natural shield water-based polyurethane with a hot coating wear layer, 3 mm cork top layer, a 6.8 mm E1 grade moisture-resistant HDF core, and a 1.2 mm agglomerated cork bottom layer. Each board has a length of 35, 15 and 16 inches, a width of 12 inches and a thickness of 7 1/16. It has a square edge and comes with 6 pieces in one box, suitable for above grade, below grade, and on grade floor. Floating floors can be quick and easy no-mess installed with the Uniclick locking. It can be installed on any subfloor but carpet. Forna Cork's Umber cork flooring is ideal for people with pets or kids. It is comfortable. The cork is soft and has an impressive capacity to compress while keeping its structural integrity, making it a supportive flooring choice. The non-slip surface of cork enables kids to race around, with decreased risk of slipping even when water is on the floor. Visit us at our website. You can order a sample piece of this pattern and all the other we carry as well. Imagine what cork flooring can do in your home.